Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover the first unit of NCERT Geography, Class 6. This unit comprises about the solar system, and in higher class sessions we will cover the topic in more depth. So, let's begin. Solar system is one big miracle. During night times, we see tiny shining objects in the sky. Those are called stars. Some are bright and some are dim. Along with the stars, we see moon. It appears in different time, shape and position. When we see a complete round-shaped moon in the sky, that is called full moon. Full moon come only once in a month. Full moon is otherwise called as Purnima. A fortnight later to full moon, we will not be able to see moon at all. The sky will be clear and we call this day as a new moon. It is also said as Amavasya. During the daytime, we are unable to see the stars and the moon. Do they disappear? No. Due to the bright light of the sun, we are unable to see them. All shining objects in the sky are called celestial bodies. Those who study these celestial bodies and its movement are called astronomers. Aryabhatta is a famous astronomer from ancient India. Let's see some facts about celestial bodies. They are big and hot. It is made up of gases. Each have their own heat and light. The shining celestial bodies are called stars. Sun is a star. There are numerous twinkling stars in the sky which are similar to sun. However, they are very far from Earth, so we are not feeling its heat and intensity. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth and it is our nearest star. While watching the twinkling stars at the night, we see various patterns in them. Those are called constellations. Easy recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Sapta means 7, Rishi means sages. Saptarishi is a group of 7 stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation or Big Bear constellation. In ancient times, people determined the directions during night time with the help of stars. North Star indicates the north direction. It is also said as a pole star. It always remains in the same place. One can locate pole star with the help of Saptarishi. In this picture, you can able to see the North Star, which indicates the north direction. Let's see about planets. Some celestial bodies does not have their own heat and light. They glow by the light they absorb from other stars. The Earth where we live is a planet. It gets light and heat from the sun, which is our nearest star. If we see Earth from a far distance, say moon, it will be shining just as a moon. Similar to Earth, there are 7 other planets. They get light and heat from the sun. So, in total, we have 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our Earth has one moon. The planets that come after Earth in the solar system also have their own moons. This is the pictorial representation of the solar system. Here you see Sun along with 8 planets. And the distance between Sun and the planets are being given here. For example, if you see Mercury, the distance between Sun and the Mercury is 58 million kilometers. And the Mercury, it completes one orbit around Sun in 88 days, and also it completes one spin on its own axis in 59 days. And we have information till Neptune in this pictorial representation. And also there is a minor change in this one. This is an old record which we took from the NCERT, but according to the latest information, Jupiter has 79 moons, Saturn has 82, Uranus has 27, and Neptune has 14 moons. And the first 4 planets are called as inner planets because they are very close to Sun, and the last 4 planets are called as outer planets, which is very far, and also they are huge in size. Among the planets, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. They are belts of small debris. Those rings can be seen from the Earth with the help of a powerful telescope. Let's see about the Sun. Sun is a center of solar system. It is big and made of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system together. It is the ultimate source of heat and light of all planets. The heat of the sun we feel during summer is nothing because the sun itself is vigorously hot and it is a fireball. It is 150 million kilometers away from Earth. The next topic is planets. There are 8 planets. They revolve around sun in a fixed path and there is no deviation. The path which they travel is elongated and it is also said as orbit. The first 4 planets are called inner planets and they are made up of rocks. The last 4 planets are called outer planets and it is made up of gases and liquid. Let's see about Earth. It's the third nearest planet to Sun and it is the 5th largest planet by size. It is slightly flattened at poles, that is why its shape is described as geode. Favorable life supporting conditions are only found on Earth. It is neither too cold nor too hot. It has water and air essential for life support. Air has life supporting gases like oxygen and it is a unique planet in solar system. It is also said as blue planet. From outer space it appears blue as 2/3 surface is filled with water. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. Even with this speed, it takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. And the planet Venus is called Earth's twin. Moon. Moon is the closest celestial body of Earth. Earth has only one satellite, which is Moon. Satellite is a celestial body. It revolves around the planet as planet move around the sun. Its diameter is 1/4 of Earth. It appears big to us as it is very near compared to other celestial bodies. It is 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. Just remember, Sun is 150 million kilometers away from Earth. Moon revolve around Earth in about 27 days. It takes the same time to complete one spin on its own axis. Because of this, we see only one side of the Moon from Earth. No life supporting conditions are so far observed in Moon and there is no air and water. It has mountains, plains and depressions. Neil Armstrong is the first man to step into the Moon. He landed on 21st July 1969. So far none of the Indian have landed on Moon. Rakesh Sharma from Indian Air Force, he is the first Indian to reach the space. Satellites are classified into 2 types. One is a natural satellite and the other one is man-made satellite. Moon is an example of natural satellite. Man-made satellite, it is made on Earth and it is designed by scientists. We often send satellites to space for research purpose. We use it for communication and forecasting the weather situations. Example of such satellites are INSAT and EDUSAT. Asteroids. Other than stars, planets and satellites, there are various tiny bodies that move around Sun. They are asteroids. Asteroid belt is seen between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists predict asteroids are pieces of a planet which would have exploded many years ago. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock that move around the sun. Sometimes meteoroids come closer to Earth like falling upon them, but due to the friction with air, they get heated and burnt. It creates a flash of light. A semi-burnt meteor sometimes falls on Earth and creates a hollow space. Some gets burnt and disappear in the sky. Milky Way galaxy. We see white glowing path in the sky during night times. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This large band is called Milky Way galaxy. In ancient India, it is said as Akash Ganga. That means river of light flowing in the sky. Huge billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases forms galaxy. Millions of such galaxies forms universe.